Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove your Nissan Titan headliner. This process requires patience and the right tools. First, for safety, always disconnect your vehicle's battery to avoid any electrical shorts. Next, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal kit, various screwdrivers, and a socket set. Having these items ready will make the entire process much smoother and help prevent damage to your interior components. Let's get started with the initial steps. Now, let's tackle the overhead components. Start by carefully removing the overhead console. It's usually held by a few screws and some clips. Next, lower both sun visors. You'll find small covers hiding the mounting screws. Gently pry these open. After unscrewing them, remember to unplug any electrical connectors for the vanity lights before completely removing the visors. This ensures no wires are damaged during the process, keeping your electrical system intact. Moving on, it's time for the grab handles and pillar trim. For the grab handles, some models have caps covering screws, while newer ones might use spring clips requiring a small hook tool and needle nose pliers for release. Once the handles are off, carefully pry off the A-pillar trim panels. They are held by retaining clips. You will then need to remove the B-pillar and C-pillar trim pieces to fully free the headliner, ensuring all clips are released without breaking them. For the final stage, ensure all electrical wiring harnesses connected to the headliner, such as for dome lights or sensors, are completely disconnected. With all surrounding trim and components removed, carefully lower the headliner board. It's crucial to avoid bending this piece, as it is a stiff, molded foam and can easily crack, leading to costly repairs. For crew cab models, you might need to remove the rear seats to create enough space to safely extract the headliner through a door opening. Take your time for a smooth removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.